Welcome to Understand. This is Jordan with SciTools. As a developer, your time is best spent writing code, not hunting for it. If you've been using standard CodeCheck reports to fix violations, you might feel like you're stuck in a loop of clicking links and switching tabs. Today we're looking at the violation browser, the definitive workspace for developers. We'll cover how the new CodeCheck paradigm works and why this tool is the key to a faster debugging process. So with the rewrite of CodeCheck in 7.0, we moved to a new paradigm. In the past, results were dynamic entities. Now, a standard CodeCheck run is a snapshot in time, a reference point for a specific build or commit, so you can see they're time-stamped here. While these reports are great for QA engineers or compliance documentation, they aren't built for active development. Trying to fix code from a static report is clunky. You'll be constantly jumping between a report tab and your source files. For instance, if we wanted to fix this violation on line 39 of blocks.c, we'd have to click the line button here. Then once this was fixed, we'd have to go back to our report and click the next one, and so on and so forth. For a developer, we definitely want something that feels smoother and more intuitive. So if you miss the old dynamic feel, you can actually get it back by running inspections in the background. By configuring a check to run in the background, so let's take this background configuration here, press the wrench, and if you edit or add a new configuration, you'll see that there's this check to run it in the background. Just make sure that that's enabled. And by configuring a check to run this way, your results stay updated every time the project is analyzed, so it turns your static snapshot into a living feedback loop. Okay, so let's close these. Now, once your background inspection is running, head to View, then Violation Browser in the top level menu. This is your command center. Note that while the violation browser is populated automatically with background checks, there's a manual way to add a non-background inspection that you want to track. Just hover over that inspection and click the icon on the far right to sync it directly to the violation browser. So as you can see, it's added 56 new violations. And you just click the same icon to remove them. So let's go over why the violation browser wins for dev work. Number one, smart grouping. Everything is automatically organized by file, so you can tackle a module all at once. Number two, there's powerful filtering options. Quickly isolate specific checks or severity levels. So here we can separate by check, and we can check only the ones that we're interested in. So here we're seeing 49 of the 1,436 violations. Then we can undo that. Or we can filter by things like severity. Number three, there's instant navigation. So clicking on a violation takes you directly to the line of code in the editor, and there's no tab switching required. So you can see it's organized by file, so we can open and see what violations are on iterator.c. And by clicking once, we're taken directly to the source code and the location of the violation. And fourth, there's even inline context, as you can see here in the editor. Violations are actually embedded right into your editor, allowing you to decide instantly whether you want to fix it or ignore it with the icon in the top right. So to wrap up, you'll want to use reports for compliance and QA handoffs and use the violation browser for your actual coding sessions. It keeps you in your source code, keeps your results fresh, and keeps your workflow seamless. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the reporting side for those of you handling compliance and high-level project health. Until then, happy coding. To learn more about CodeCheck or any other feature within Understand, visit support.scitools.com.